Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to disable direct messages in Tinder. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. This right here is the interface of Tinder once you have logged in. And right now, what we need to do is simply go to our profile. At the bottom right, you will find your profile right here. Just click on it, then something like this will open up. Well, do note that you can edit your profile from clicking this pen-like icon right here. But for now, what we need to do is simply go to settings. At the top right, here's a gear-like icon that is settings. I'm simply gonna click on it. Then this page will open up. I'm simply gonna scroll down till I see something like disable direct messages. Well, right here you can see just below top picks, there's something like direct messages. Right here is manage direct messages and settings. I'm gonna click on the settings tab right here. Then this page will open up. We just want to disable direct messages, so I'm simply gonna toggle off this button. And guys, that's it. You have successfully disabled direct messages in Tinder. And guys, that's about it. That's the gist. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.